Gunshots rang out as police and residents clash in Swallowfield.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Tension is running high in Swallowfield, St. Andrew at this time, as residents continue to vent over the police killing of a teen from the Bundy Road area of the community. Police have since summoned riot gear personnel and armored units to help contain the angry residents. Gunmen reportedly fired shots on the Stadium Gardens police station on Tuesday evening, while residents also lit debris and a motor car. Motorists are being urged to use alternate routes, as Old Hope Road, Windsor Avenue and Arthurwint Drive are not safe. The killing of Casey Lake, also called CJ, reportedly at the hands of the police on Monday, September 10, is responsible for the fiery protests. He was allegedly shot once in the head by a police officer. Police say they took a homemade gun and 1.38 round from the scene. Residents had failed in an attempt to firebomb the Stadium Gardens police station around 8:10 a.m. Tuesday. They, however, managed to damage a police service vehicle on the station compound.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.